Hey, this is Rammi G, aka Ram Gooey. This is my BMW, and I'm gonna be a Beamer boy till the day I fucking die, bitch.
Your boy Rammi G trying to rip the e-brake, so.
Jump it out the hill, that bitch jump it. On my dick, 38 O's on my dick. Is it natural? Wide? Is it thick? Checks in my pocket and my kicks. Took the risk. Rose gold paddock on my wrist. If I pull up, is it lit? Beeping by the gate, I've been beeping by the gate, I've been. Damn, all these stars on my head. Okay, it's cool, keep this eyes, keep me fresh. Chasing this through with me, something I can hit. You know I'm James in the garden, I can't miss. Ooh, I've been through, let me vent. I sat back and watch a switcher from my side of the fence. Old niggas making rules, tryna box just got it in. Living out just by two codes, love your hater, no new friends. Find a way to let it fade from me, by the sip. Take it down till I feel it in my ribs. She come right through, then I send it to the crib. Then she know, now she know what it is. Yeah. On my dick, 38 O's on my dick. Is it natural? Wide? Is it thick?
Woo, that was fucking. I haven't been here before. That's why I'm like fucking freaking out a little bit. But damn, bro.
Damn, boys, that's
bro.
the content.
Oh my god.
Part of a car meet.
There's no. But still, you know what I mean? Probably an hour ago, bro. An hour and 30 minutes. We had a couple groups here posted up over there that cops came and they popped us. Yo, dude, that was so fun. Can't believe we just out of luck in the car meet. Dude, nice cars, Audis, Nissans, GTR, you know it, the best one. So much good cars.
We got a fat ass puddle. We just went through another one. We got our boy Rammi G sweating bullets in that bitch. We got Nick. Yo, what's up, homie? You trying to go through the puddle, bro? We're stuck out here, boys. We're really stuck out here, boys. The cops said we might have to turn around. Now we're stuck on the highway. It's still here. It's about 30 minutes after. Still fucking live out here. Only the trucks are going. It's kind of fucking pissing me off, bro. My boy Nick just trying to get home.
I was just trying to get to the crib.
Still fucking stuck. The cops said we might have to turn around and go back. Shit ain't going nowhere. I'll keep you guys updated. Fucked up the whole thing. We're about to start going, and then he didn't end up going. So now we're fucking back here stuck, waiting for a semi to go through. He's about to go through. This is wild, boys. I think that one got stuck. This is insane, boys.
Alright, now get on his ass, dude. Hold up. Follow his ass. This is like the last semi for a minute, so go. Gun it when we get through here too. Get on his ass and gun it.
Keep going. Keep in there. Oh, we just made it, boys. Finally out there. Fucking puddles. We're gonna check this shit out. These bitches hydrolock. The water got all up in here. Fucking everything's wet as shit. But fuck it, we made it. Shout out Rammi G's Beamer, busty ass Beamer. We can see he needs to rev his shit out because, you know, he got a hydrolocked engine now. So what he needs to do is just keep revving the shit out of this car, and then it'll be yeah, just keep revving it. You're good, dude.
Dude, the smell's gonna come through here, so I'll open the windows.
Yeah. Pop the windows down. But yeah, we're in Rammi G's car. We just made it through like 2 puddles. So now he's just revving it just so it, like, you know, dries the water up and shit.
I just want to be sure.
Yeah, he just wants to be sure, honestly. That's all it is. All right, we're good now, I think. You can start driving.
Wait.
Yeah, he's just turning it off just to make sure.
We're gonna see this. Watch, ready? We're gonna see how the sound piece. Remember when it turned on, it just sounded bad? Okay, we're gonna find out this time now. Nice.
Is that decent?
All
right. We're good now?
We're good,
all right.
yeah.
All right, boys, I'll catch you guys at the crib. While we're driving home after Rammi revved his car up. What happened, Rammi?
Explain what's going on. What's going on with the vehicle for the guys?
We just made it through just hell and back through the thick and thin, and oh my god, my car's still running though, so that's a good thing. Bro, this car, man, it's been flooded before, and it still made it, bro. How the fuck did this car made it, bro? Bro.
Grabbing your bumper. That bitch ate it, boy. But it's a trooper, though. He's got to fucking fix his bumper. That bitch is about broken the sail.
Damn, bro. We gotta deal with this later.
That's Jimmy Rig? Is it Jimmy Rig approved?
No, it's not, but that'll do for now.
My pocket's facetious. Hang with them killers, they do it for no reason. Shoot a fuck nigga, Gilbert Arenas. I'm at the W, I'm at the Lowe's, you at 4 Seasons. Swervo almost crashed the Bentley truck tweaking. Me, I just crashed in your bitch for the weekend. Me, I just crashed in a bad Puerto Rican. Yo bitch only decent. I fuck her once, won't run it back, that bitch is not a remix. I done got rich overnight, I don't know how to act. I don't got it on me, best believe my brody got it. He be pistol toting. 2 perk 30s in my system, ain't no ibuprofen. Nigga, fuck your rollie, AP on me, try to take it. We gon' beat him like he stole it. My pocket's facetious. Hang with them killers, they do it for no reason. Shoot a fuck nigga, Gilbert Arenas. I'm at the W, I'm at the Lowe's, you at 4 Seasons.
It's Ram Gooey, or AKA Rammi G. I just went to the shop, put some carbon fiber. I fixed it, and now it's all fixed from the water. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. This is an update saying we're just trying to get a lot of footage for the channel so we can give you more episodes. Peace out.